Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to upload a video on IGTV. IGTV is a long-form video channel accessible from Instagram and as a standalone app. In 2019, Instagram also allowed creators to post 1-minute previews of their IGTV videos on their feeds to improve discoverability. That's perfect for getting your audience's attention without them having to download the app. Instagram more recently introduced the IGTV series feature. This allows creators to make a regular series of videos to be released on a consistent cadence, weekly, monthly, etc. To upload a video on IGTV from Instagram, tap the plus button at the bottom of your newsfeed. Then choose a video 60 seconds or longer and tap next. Now, select share as long video, and this allows you to post the full-length video on IGTV, while a shorter snippet of the video is shared to your Instagram feed. Then, tap continue. Now, choose your video's cover image from one of its frames. Alternatively, you may choose an image from your gallery. Then, tap next. Now, fill out the title and description for your IGTV video. You also now have the option to post a preview of your video on your newsfeed and make visibility on Facebook if you want to cross-promote it. Once you're done filling out your title and description, tap post in the top right. And you just posted an IGTV video from your Instagram app. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.